Hi guys, Ishpreet here. Welcome back to Slick and Natty. So of late I've been doing a lot of fashion related DIY videos because I've been getting so many requests from you people for making these kind of videos. But when I started this channel, one of the very important aspects that I wanted to cover was chemical free skin and hair care, because I strongly believe in going chemical free as far as possible. So in today's video I'm going to tell you about chemical free alternative to deodorants, and I've been wanting to share this with you for such a long time. I'm not sure if you're aware, but the deodorants are very harmful for us. One, because they contain very harmful chemicals, especially aluminium, which is present in 99% of the deodorants. It's a metal, it gets absorbed into our body, and it is associated with diseases like breast cancer and Alzheimer's disease. Apart from this, deodorants contain synthetic preservatives like parabens, synthetic fragrances, and many other chemicals. You can read about this online, there's tons of material on it. The second thing about deodorants is that they work by clogging our pores, and thus they prevent sweating. Now this is not good for our body because sweating is our body's natural way of detoxing or eliminating the toxins. So deodorants are hampering the body from doing this, but the body in any case tries to detox, and that's why you see all those stains on your clothes when you apply deodorant. And thirdly, the problem with all these deodorants available in the market is that they don't last all day long. You have to keep reapplying these. But this alternative that I'm going to tell you about does not contain any chemicals, can be easily made at home. It does not clog the pores and stop sweating. It only eliminates the odor. And to top it all, its effect lasts all day long. I've been using it for the past 5 to 6 months. I've been pleasantly surprised with its effect. I've been super happy with it, and you must also give it a try. This requires only two things: coconut oil and baking soda. Coconut oil has antibacterial properties, so it fights the bacteria which cause odor under our arms. Although any coconut oil can be used for this, but I prefer to use virgin cold pressed coconut oil. Virgin means that it is less refined, and cold pressed means that the oil has been extracted from the coconut mechanically without subjecting it to heat. These things help to retain the beneficial properties of coconut oil. The second ingredient, that is baking soda, is also known as cooking soda. Don't confuse this with baking powder, which is different. It is normally present in everybody's kitchen, and it is a very potent antimicrobial agent. So I am now going to add both these ingredients in equal quantities. I am adding 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now just mix these two together so that you get a paste-like consistency. This deodorant is now ready to be used. If you wish, you can add a few drops of an essential oil like lavender oil or sandalwood oil or any other oil of your choice to give it a fragrance that you like. This step is optional. Now just store this paste in a clean container, and your deodorant is all ready to be used. Whenever you want to use it, just take out some and apply it on your armpits. And you don't have to worry about this paste leaving any stains on your clothes, because when you apply it, the oil gets absorbed into your skin, and the baking soda, even if it leaves any white stains on your clothes, they get washed off easily, because baking soda after all is used for washing clothes as well. So when you apply this on your armpits, you can stay odorless and smell good all day long and without subjecting your body to any harmful chemicals. What more do you want? If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and do connect with me on my Instagram account, which is Slick and Natty. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe for more such videos. See you guys next time.